contract and you have a free and clear piece of property that you're selling, you may want to consider having the escrow agent collect from the buyer on a monthly basis for what's known as T&I. So you may have heard that expression T&I and wonder what that is. That stands for taxes and insurance. And your taxes and insurance are typically paid either on an annual or a semi-annual basis. And so because they're only paid once or twice a year, it's a larger dollar amount. So what a lot of sellers like to consider is having the escrow agent collect taxes and insurance, T&I, on a monthly basis and hold that money in what's called an impound account. And then when those insurance bills and tax bills come due, the escrow agent is holding some money with which they can then pay that bill. Now the important thing to point out, and I point this out on a buyer video about the same subject, is it's the buyer's responsibility to provide us with the insurance bill and with the tax bill. If they don't provide us with that, we don't know what to do with the money we're holding and we just continue to hold it. So encourage your buyers to provide the insurance bill and the tax bill to the escrow agent if you decide to have the escrow agent collect for taxes and insurance. And then the escrow agent can use that money to pay those bills. Now there are times also when the escrow agent doesn't have enough. Maybe they didn't collect enough on a monthly basis. So in that event, they will change the payment, they will increase the monthly payment, and they will ask the buyer for additional funds to pay those. But they try to stay ahead of that so that each year those accounts are analyzed and they increase or decrease, usually increase, the amount of money that they collect on a monthly basis from the buyer so that they can pay the taxes and insurance on the contract or the mortgage that they are paying on the property that you sold to them. So I hope that answers your question and helps you understand taxes and insurance. Escrow agents don't collect for taxes and insurance on every account, so you have to keep that in mind. And if you want them to do that, you have to create that provision in the real estate contract at the beginning, and then the escrow agent will know that they're to collect for taxes and insurance on a monthly basis.